Whoa, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
You switch it sideways.
Can I hold it?
No, it's my phone. Saying that, it's more yellow. Just look at everyone standing around. Look over there. People with sparklers, trolleys.
2
Damn.
minutes. I will put this down.
No, shh. Whoa, look over there. Look at, oh, you just missed it.
What?
I think I might grab some more and eat, Lexi. Isn't that fire just beautiful?
What? Look at that fire. I know. Look
Yes.
at that fire.
Yes, isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Isn't it? Right, that's it for now. See?
Fires.
I know they can be Jesus, look at that smoke. Yeah, I'm in a bedroom, so what? Right, that'll be it for now. This will make a great video.